Hello and welcome. I am Mrs. Stacy Davis. Under the umbrella of Family and Consumer Sciences, I teach human growth and development, principles of education, and principles of human services. Let's look a little closer at each course. Human Growth and Development examines human development across the lifespan and emphasis upon research, theoretical perspectives, and common physical, cognitive, emotional, and social developmental milestones. This course covers material that is generally taught in a post secondary setting. Therefore, I expect a high level of commitment, maturity, and respect for myself as well as all those participating in the class. I will expect your full participation. We will have group projects, individual projects, lessons, and activities. Principles of Education is designed to introduce learners to the various careers available within the education career cluster. Students use self-knowledge and educational and career information to analyze various careers within the education cluster. Principles of Human Services course will enable students to investigate careers in the Human Services career cluster, including counseling and mental health, early childhood development, family and community, and personal care services. Each student is expected to complete the knowledge and skills essential for success in high skill, high wage, or high demand human services careers. When taking any course under Family and Consumer Sciences, all students are strongly encouraged to participate in extended learning experiences such as Family, Career, and Community Leaders of America, which is also known as FCCLA, and other extracurricular organizations. Here's a list of my classroom rules and expectations, which can be found in the class syllabus. Together, the students and I have reviewed this list in which clarification was given on any questions they may have inquired about. Again, I would like to welcome you to my class, and together we will make 2021-2022 the best school year ever.